Mob. What it do, broski? It's my man, DaveyMcFlyy, 2 eyes. Back in the back of the trap, cooking up crack with a whole nother slap, broski. Y'all already know how it's going, man. Hey, all my OGs, youngest day ones, and new members alike, go ahead and hit that like button for your boy. Major shout out and salute to you, fool. You know what I'm saying? If you're new, make sure you subscribe and notify. You did. I need that support, broski. And hit that like button too. Help the channel go up a long way, man. But hey, make sure you subscribe and notify so you don't miss the fun, broski. I got a new podcast going, or a new live stream series going, live on Mob Street. I'm going up every night, you know what I'm saying? If you're watching this video, look for me to be live sometime tonight. I go live late night or in the evening, but I'm definitely going every day. And I appreciate if you pull up and rock with us in the chat, bro. Always a good conversation and good fun, you know what I'm saying? Make sure you pull up. But today, finna lace up these blue games. Is that what the young boy call them? The blue games. Royal blue and black Air Jordan 12. These joints crispy, broski. Definitely a good looking shoe, man. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get into the rules of the lace game. Rule number 1. I'm gonna go over the rules while I'm loosening up the shoe. You gotta loosen up your shoe, that's step 1. But you know what I'm saying? Rule number 1. The person who buy the shoes, that's who got to say and how they should be laced. Man, woman, cat, dog, polywall, female, duck, truck, bro, don't give a motherfuck. Whoever bought the shoe, that's who got to say and how they should be laced. You know what I'm saying? Rule number 2. It ain't no wrong or right way to lacing your laces, broski. You know what I'm saying? It's just shoelaces at the end of the day. Old dead cow, some nylon, thread, you know what I'm saying? Hey, cotton, whatever the hell they make these shoes with. It ain't no wrong or right way to do this. I just suggest that you be creative and do whatever make you look good and feel good. I lace my shoes whichever way that's gonna make me look good and feel good. And every time I put something on my feet, people breaking their neck, turning heads and asking me what are those, you know what I'm saying, in a good way. I always spark conversations about my shoes, no matter what I'm wearing in this. All the lace game, bro. I'm telling you, it's all how I lace them up at the end of the day. Now, rule number 3, man, if you don't like me, my videos are what you see, get the fuck on, bitch! I don't want your pissy pussy ass around here, man. On no mob, you know what I'm saying? Beat feet, boy. Like, no more free sauce for you. The video ends here. Go on to the next one type shit. Move along. I do this shit for the mob and the mob only, broski. And now that we got the rules out the way, I got my shoes laced. Well, unlaced. All the way down. I'ma make sure they even. And the lace setup, the lace job I'm gonna attack today is my signature lace style for the 12s. You know what I'm saying? Came up with it a while back. I was experimenting on the 1s. It looked pretty dope. I said, let me try it on the 12s. It looked even better on my flu games. And now we're gonna do it on these blues, man. And all it is a big cross and a double bow. You know what I'm saying? I have them loosened all the way down. Make sure my lace tips are even. They are right now. Give me a little room at the toe. I don't like to have none of my laces like super duper tight to where if the shoe catch the shoelace on the stress points, I like to have some kind of wiggle room, you know what I'm saying? That'll keep any and all creases from coming in your shoe if you do it like me. I ain't trolling, bro. I'm trying to look at. Ask the mob, they can vouch and verify. My lace jobs will extend the life of your shoes for years. I'm talking about, you know what I mean? Especially if you wear your shoes heavy. If you wear them like I do, broski, you will extend the life of your shoes for years. And all you will have to do is keep them clean. For the most part, you will be crease free if you do it like me, man. That's just on the mob. I ain't capping with you a little bit, broski. And what I do is, you see those 2 black eyelets right there? right up under that one, I go in from the inside, make one big cross. Y'all peep game. I'm gonna go head on with you real quick. Yeah, man. Make just one big cross. You can see my 2 and my 3, all my little embroidery going down the tongue. You can see all that. After I hit them with the big cross, I just do a double bow knot. But this part, I like my have my foot in there. I like my have my and I did it again, bro. Go jamming my foot in the dang on shoe without taking the shoe tree out. Last time I did a how to lace on the court purpose. Check that out, cause I do the same thing every time, bro. Forget to put the shoe tree, or forget to take the shoe tree out the shoe and go jamming my foot right in the shoe. But bang, got it out of there, right? You know what I'm saying? Big cross in there, got my foot in there. Then, now, we hit them with that double bow tie. And I don't like a standard, just regular bow tie. It's boring to me, you know what I'm saying? Bow tie for little girls. I already know how I rock with it. You gotta put some sauce in your shoe game, bro. You're gonna be looking like everybody else. You know what I'm saying? At least you can separate yourself a little bit with the lace game. With the socks too, you know what I'm saying? I always think to spice it up with the socks. It'll help you on social media with your likes and all that, you know what I'm saying? Just stand out a little bit more, give your shoes a little more pop. But yeah, got my first bow tie in there, right? Too long, too much going on. So that's why I hit them with a double bow. And bam, that's all it is to it right there, broski. You know what I'm saying? I get them even, real tight. Got me a little pop on the tongue, man. I rock out just like that. That's how I be saucing. And it look good to me, broski. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna do the same thing with the other shoe. And we're gonna hit them with a 360 on foot and all that. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, broski, y'all sit tight 1 second.
Hey nigga, I wanna know if you ready to do this shit.
Crank that whole sound, son.
You ready to do this shit or what, motherfucker?
Jump out the window, you niggas some bimbos, pussy pinker than a flamingo. After I hit, bitches say bingo. You already know his mom and his bitch. Fuck being wealthy, I'm trying to get rich. At the same time, still got holes on my dick. She digging my flow, it's hot in the shit. Like the flu, Leo bitch, sick. Money over bitches, you gotta stay focused. Fucking these hoes, no hoax and no pocus. Chill too hard, how they use it again. I was tired of losing, I decided to win. Nobody switches quicker than a friend. Nobody switches quicker than a bitch. Always gotta keep money over bitch. Always gotta keep money over bitch. Money over bitches, money over bitches. Money over bitches, money over bitches. Money over bitches, money over bitches. Money over bitches, money over bitches.
Money over bitches, young nigga tryna get bitches, yeah. Money over bitches, me and Kev both in the switches, yeah. Money over bitches, you know I'm tryna get wealthy, yeah. Money over bitches, don't give a fuck what they telling me, yeah.
So bam, broski, we got them back, loosened all the way up, all the way down. My lace is even, you know what I'm saying? I like to put my foot in at this part. Remember to take your shoe tree out. I just did it 2 times in a row that time. Boy. I don't know what's wrong with me, fellas. Need to get back on my A game, man. But yeah, so bang, right? Big cross. Right up under the black eyelets. Going from the inside. Bam. There go one. Hit him with the other. We in there. You know what I'm saying? That double bow tie. And this way all your embroidery showing. Got a little swag, got a little pizzazz with your shoes, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I rocks with it, bro. Couple of my homies can testify, man. I done sauced that shoe game up just with the lace jobs alone, broski. At first, I didn't like to do these videos, but now, you know what I'm saying? I feel the love, and I see the point and purpose of me doing it. You know what I'm saying? Just helping out, bro. Cause y'all don't know. So many times people be tagging me on Instagram, and they on foot pictures using my lace jobs. I fucks with it. You know what I mean? I ain't doing it jank for no reason, but bam, bow tie. and a double. That's it. I make them even and pull them tight. That's all I do. Try to get them to lay down on the sides. They usually just go out whatever they want to, but try to get them right like that. And I'm Gucci, broski. That's how I'm rocking, man. We're gonna go ahead and get a quick little 360 off, man, and get up out of here. Mob.
No, I'm cooking. Up, I know you smelling me, yo. No, I'm looking good for what they telling me, yo. We come from the dirt, stand on the soil, leave them under the turf. Nigga, you pussy, whatever that word. RIP handle that on the shirt.
Money over bitches, money over money on bitches. Money over bitches, money over money on bitches. Money over bitches, she said my flow is vicious. Niggas wanna sneak this, they get washed up like dishes. Used to wash dishes, now Kevo on her wish list. You can get dismissed, throw your ass with the fishes. They thought it was funny, I'm chillin' feet up, counting me some money. I'm all about my bread, don't forget honey. I'm all about my spread, don't forget jelly. Why are you jealous? We are not the same, I am the greatest. You even got the young nigga on your playlist, that shit is crazy. Money over bitches, nigga. Money over bitches, money over bitches. Money over bitches, money over bitches.